quite nice. No, it's quite nice. It's not even nice out, let's admit it. It's not nice. It's nice and, yeah, but at least I'm warm. Badminton.
Welcome to Britain.
Let's just say, right, this one is an idiot.
But she loves me really.
We walked 2.5 hours home
Hey, not
from
my
college.
fault. That was your fault.
You
Hour-
decided
Hour
to.
and
You
41 minutes it says. Hour and 41 minutes.
2.5
I
hours.
stopped at Tesco innocently just for donuts. We ended up looking at makeup, getting cheese sticks, getting milkshakes,
You-
and then
Yeah, because you wanted to look down the clearance aisle.
and then we go to body care. And you sort of
To
complaining
see my
about-
friend
Yeah,
who left my way.
which I totally respect.
Right.
But look, like complaining about that they have pink stools and you only have yellow ones.
And now we're on a walk again. I wonder how long we've been out. Yeah, probably. Money troubles.
That's what you have working at Mackie D's.
What do you get for working at body care?
Hey. Yeah,
At least I get more money than you.
right.
Still can't afford me.
I can't afford.
Anything.
Hey,
Hey, no, but wait. You can afford a ring.
yeah. 40 quid out my wages.
Shouldn't complain.
Sure.
I look like I'm like near enough the same height as you, but really, I'm actually not.
No offense.
You shouldn't say that.
What do you consider?
No. Oh, that's nasty. That's offended me because I want to work in healthcare.
Okay, I'll be a prison guard, so what? These guns.
What was it called then? Crap myself. It's quite nice out today. It's quite a nice walk when you really think about it. When you actually like look and the sky looks very nice behind us. Ooh. Just nearly tripped. It's freezing. Absolutely freezing.
Freezing.
Where are we walking to? Do you want to walk back down? Yeah. It's coming in. Checking myself out. I'm wearing like a businessy shirt today.
Yeah, look at you, all snotty, snotty. You're at college. And there's me. Jack and Jones top.
That is in that someone bought.
Yeah. Christmas, right? Christmas.
Oh, it's 7 months until Christmas. I worked it out the other day. 6 months until my birthday.
And it's 3 days.
And it's 7 months until it's on New Year. And it's tomorrow.
3 days.
3 days until.
Not 6 months.
Oh, 6 months, not tomorrow.
Yeah, I've been stuck with this thing for 6 months. Actually,
It's not
6
actually a bad
8
thing.
months. 8 months I've been stuck with you.
It was your decision.
Oh yeah, who the one that's like, oh, you're in great yet. Hey?
I don't think that anymore though.
Well, what do you think?
Ugh.
Whatever you say.
I can't wait till you get your hair cut. Like I'm actually really, really excited, even though it's a week away. But I mean, look at your mom.
Hey, that'd be good. Get my hair cut. Got
Yeah.
my hair cut. Got North End's last game of the season. Then out around town with you on the night that night. So,
Let's just face it, Preston and rubbish.
hey. But
Hey.
yeah, but before that I'm working in
Yeah, but who's better, Chesterfield or Preston?
who beat you in
Chesterfield!
playoffs?
Yeah, but who's the
Yeah.
best person in the world and comes from Chesterfield, so Chesterfield must be the best place if the best person in the world comes from there.
Where are you talking?
It's a true fact.
Preston.
Yeah, but I'm
Who
the
came
best.
from Chesterfield? Who came from Chesterfield?
Me.
Any famous
So-
people? You're not famous.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Yet.
When people
Famous for being an adult nurse.
When people look back at these videos, bloody hell, what are they? Is this what we meant? Famous.
This is how young we were.
All you kids don't get a job at McDonald's in the future.
No, 0 hour contract is not good for you. If you want to actually earn
If you want to
money.
get a job, don't work at Body Care.
No, do.
You'll just
Body
turn
care's.
You turn out like this.
Yeah, but body care's good.
You turn out like for a mate. It's easier. Join the boyfriend shop every single shop in town.
At least you know. It's actually really, really nice out. I can't go. Look at that, John. Look at that. Oh, I just look great.
Oh, look at that.
Windswept hair. Charlie. Charlie. Oh, hi, Mikey. Hi. Charlie boy. Charlie.
Charlie.
You're not Charlie, you're Mikey.
Charlie.
Charlie, come here. Here. Hi. Charlie. Hello. Hi. Hello. Ouch.
Thank you.
Good. No, it did not.
Which one have we got on my back?
Hi.
Oh, there. Nike.